Court attire. Let's talk about proper clothing for court. I did this video a long time ago. Sometime in the future, I'll probably do another one because I think it's something people need to be reminded about, right? Court still don't let you just walk in with any old thing on, right? You need to be dressed properly. I don't assume that people know that. The problem is, though, that bailiffs or other people who work in the court or the judge, they're there every day and they see the same thing. So they tend to have a shorter patience, right? And with that shorter patience about things, they tend to get in positions where they talk to people a little differently. And let's say it's your first time in court, you got arrested for something you think is BS, and now you have to go to court, take time out of your work schedule, be down here, pay for parking, stand in line, get all the way up there, and then because you don't have the proper attire on, you're told to leave. And not only are you told to leave, they say it to you in a crazy tone. And you feel disrespected and you get frustrated. And you kind of snap back. And then from there, you're thrown in jail now. All because of how somebody spoke to you. And you felt disrespected because of something you didn't know about. Right? I've seen that, right? Most attorneys have seen that in some form or fashion. So when I talk about court attire, I'm not talking about court attire to be disrespectful or assume you already know it. I don't assume you know it, right? Because I know people don't know it. So let's discuss it. Let's dig into it. For men, you know, I have on a t-shirt, right? You can have on a t-shirt, have on jeans, stay away from shorts. If you have on a t-shirt, though, whether it's a shirt with design on it or a t-shirt, tuck your shirt in. That's the safe bet. Tuck your shirt in. Because again, remember, I'm trying to avoid somebody telling you to do something or talking to you crazy who work there, right? So if you already have the right attire on, you kind of can avoid that as much as possible. So have your shirt tucked in. Again, jeans, pants are fine. No shorts, no shorts. This is just for men. I'm still talking about men. You're probably best with closed-toe shoes, so no flip-flops, no sandals, right? So nothing where your toes are, we can see your toes. No hats. If you wear a hat into the building, just have it on before you walk into court. Just side note, if you have your phone, put your phone on silent. Don't even put it on vibrate. Put it on silent. Just put it on silent. If you don't actually need to use your phone, I would actually just turn it off so that nothing can come up. But that's just a real quick side note. For women, dresses are fine. Y'all have a little bit more flexibility. Women have a little bit more flexibility with the clothing, just being dead honest with you. Because a male judge might not want to get caught up or get in trouble for talking to a female about her clothing or something. So you have a little bit more flexibility. But again, I would err on the side of being conservative. So legs covered. I would also avoid shorts, you know, jeans, pants. Like I said, you can have on a dress. I would also cover your arms. Have your arms covered. Have your arms covered. Oh, going back to men, no tank tops. You know, like a t-shirt, long sleeve, short sleeve, and anything higher than that. Polo shirt, button up, that's fine. But going back to women, cover up your arms. Cover up your arms. Again, the idea is you want to avoid somebody telling you you got something wrong on you that you didn't know about. Okay? So keep that in mind. Y'all, women have a little bit more flexibility with their toes showing and things like that. So, but yeah, conservative. You know, just dress conservative to be on the safe side. It never hurts to dress up, right? If you overdress, to dress up, overdress, that can't hurt you, right? Shirt and tie, suit, that can't hurt you, right? You're not going to get penalized for that, you know. I wouldn't go in there with a neon tux, but you're not going to get penalized for that. So that's the proper attire.